Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, as you can see on my background, we're going to talk about SEO tips and tricks, or search engine optimization tips and tricks. Please get a piece of paper, a pen, a pencil would do, just to write down this few tricks I'm going to tell you guys. It's a very quick video right here. Let's start. So, first of all, of course, do your research. You should do your keyword search because SEO is all about keywords. Okay? Now, don't be afraid. You're not gonna do a deep dive research. You're not gonna spend hours. Just a little bit of background check what's trending right now, what can help you regarding your product, and the best thing, I have a video about this. There are hundreds of search engine or keyword search engine tools out there. Just type in whatever your product is, and this specific tool will give you the keywords to use on your website, on your vlog, or whatever you're writing on. Okay? Next is, of course, write high quality content. Regarding this one, of course, if you even hire a freelancer to handle your SEO optimization, if you have a very good website, nothing's gonna progress if you don't have quality content. That is the what you call this? That's the holy grail of your website. Of course, content. Okay. Moving on, optimize your page styles and meta descriptions. These are the snippets of text that appear in search engine pages results, so they're important of attracting leaks. So you're aware of YouTube, right? You're aware of YouTube thumbnails. This is the same as page titles. Please make sure that your page titles are attractive. They attract. They ask that it's if it says if you read your page title, it's like saying you come read me and then finish everything I write here. Page title is the one that attracts people. Okay? Again, use relevant keywords throughout your content. This includes your page style, meta descriptions, headers, body text, and image alt content. So technically, just choose relevant keywords. Don't just use random words out there. Don't just use randomized words. Please, this is also involved researching your keywords. Next is build backlinks to your website. Backlinks are the links from the other websites to yours. They're a signal to Google that your website is high quality and trustworthy. Technically, these are just plugins. Remember, for example, regarding my previous video, I talked about backlinks. Please check it out. Anyway, backlinks are just links on other websites regarding your website. It sounds a bit confusing, right, or tricky? Backlinks are a link to your website that are seen on different people's website or other social media platforms. Okay? That's backlinks. I highlighted twice right here because this is very important. Build backlinks to your website. I put it twice right here to emphasize that backlinks are really important. Okay? Moving on, use structured data markup. This is just the same as the second one right here. Relevant keywords. It's the same as structured data markup. Make sure the words that you use there are pretty structured and they're thoroughly researched. Again, you don't have to do a deep dive research regarding this. There are hundreds of keywords tools out there, okay? And next one is optimize your website for mobile devices. Now, let's not limit ourselves regarding our website within the browser only. Make sure that mobile device or mobile platform regarding a website is also optimized. Okay? More and more people are using mobile devices to search the web. Because personally, if I'm gonna search, for example, a food, a pastry, I'm not gonna open my PC. I'm not gonna open my laptop. It's too a hassle. It's so much of a hassle. I'm just gonna grab my phone, go to Google or Safari, search it up. So it's very important if your website is optimized regarding the mobile platform. Okay? Next one, this is just additional tips and tricks for you guys. This is a very quick run through. First, use a variety of keywords. Again, even if I say that they're variety right here, make sure they're relevant. Okay? Next one, create content that is shareable. This is the same as the one that backlinks over earlier. Make sure your content is shareable because the more people, the more audience. The more audience means the more business. And of course, more business means more money. Next is use social media platform to promote your content. On the third one, this is the same as hiring a freelancer to hold or manage your social media regarding SEO. Sharing your content on social media can help you get more exposure and attract more visitors to your website. That means more visitors, more sales, more money. Lastly, track your progress. It's anything. I'm gonna tell this. It involves everything. There's SEO. For example, you're doing something personally, track your progress. See where you've been, how can you move on, how can you progress. Now, using your track your progress to SEO can tell you where have you been missing, what is missing for the past few months so you can tackle it properly. And of course, improve over time. So that's the very quick video about tips and tricks regarding SEO. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you like the video. Have a safe one, guys.